Where do I begin? I'm ready now, let out what's been in. Running around my head, what did I do wrong? Tell me it's my...
Guys, welcome to the series. This week is challenge week, and we're gonna do the Cinimon challenge. It's my little sister. I was gonna do it with my brother, but he's too much of a pussy to do it. Okay. You wanna do it right now? Wanna start? Okay. So, we're gonna do it. I actually filmed this video last night, but the lighting was bad, so I have to do this again. It's not that bad, actually. If you need to spit that out, there's a trash can. Oh my god. Okay, please don't spit it on the floor. Ready, set. Ew. Oh, it's way worse. Ew. Oh god. Ew, look at my teeth. I can't eat it. You have to. I'm almost done. I'm gonna win. I win. Ew. That was gross. You did it? Mm-hmm. No one will beat us. We are the Cinimon Challenge Masters. No, that was actually my second time doing it. First time was last night. Earlier it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be.
That's soda?
Yeah. Wait, what did you...
I
Okay, whatever. So if you want to see more videos like this, click like and subscribe, and we will post these videos every week. Not challenge videos, but we have different topics for every week. And I'm not going to be posting on Thursdays anymore because of, I don't know, I just kind of want to stay like on the schedule of one day a week. So I will see you next Tuesday, and stay tuned for next week.